In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore passwords in Google Chrome. If you recently switched computers, reinstalled your browser, or moved from another password manager, this quick walkthrough will show you how to bring your login details back into Chrome using a CSV file. Before we begin, make sure you have your passwords saved as a CSV file on your computer. Many browsers and password managers can export to CSV. Keep in mind that a CSV is unencrypted plain text, so store it in a safe location and delete it when you're done. This tutorial is for the desktop version of Chrome, and it works best when you're signed into Chrome so your passwords can sync across devices. Start by opening Chrome. Look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu icon. From the menu that appears, choose Settings. This opens a new tab with all of Chrome's controls. On the left side of the settings page, click Autofill and Passwords. This section contains everything related to payment methods, addresses, and saved logins. In the main area, click Google Password Manager. This takes you to Chrome's built-in dashboard for viewing, searching, and managing your saved credentials. Inside Password Manager, check the left panel and click Settings. Here you'll find import and export controls, as well as options for password saving and alerts. Click Import Passwords. Your system's file picker will open. Navigate to the CSV file that contains your saved passwords, select it, and click Open. Chrome will read the file and add the entries to your password vault. If some accounts already exist, Chrome may merge duplicates so you don't end up with multiple copies. Depending on your operating system, you might be prompted to authenticate before changes are applied. When the import finishes, you can confirm everything worked by returning to the main Password Manager view and browsing your list. Use the search bar to spot check a few sites. If something looks off, you can remove an entry or repeat the import with an updated file. For security, consider securely deleting the CSV once you're satisfied, since it contains sensitive information in plain text. That's all it takes to restore passwords in Chrome. With your logins back in place, signing in across your favorite sites should be seamless. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, don't forget to keep your browser updated and your Google account protected with strong authentication.